Hi, my name is Tommy. I'm a technical writer at Semaphore, and today I want to talk about a tool we created. I want to thank everyone for coming here and seeing this tool in action. So let's talk about a little bit about continuous integration. This is something that we can say every developer touches, at some point in their career. Um, Even if they don't configure the pipeline, they need to know how it works, what it does, how to interact with it, how to read the log, how to debug and check why the build broke. So CD is very important, but there are not so many books about it. I think Dave Farley Sanchez Humble's Continuous Delivery is the book about it. It's the best book we have, and it's a masterpiece. But there's a lack of other books because I don't think CI is like a hot topic, So publishers and writers do not focus on that. They focus maybe on newer languages or design patterns or new things. So uh, there's a lot of resources on the web about CI/CD. We have a lot on our blog, but there's not like a central hub for everything, and that's why we created this tool. It's a central hub where you can get like a starting point for your pipeline or ideas to improve it. So let's see how it works. So here we are at the landing page of our tool. This is a web-based tool. You can use it anywhere. You don't need to be a Semaphore customer or even logged in. You can access this and start using it even if you are using other tools for CI/CD. So when we click Start Learning, we are going to be presented with three paths. These are three tracks about learning. We're going to see, let's see, continuous integration, which is like the default one that everyone uses at the very least. And as you can see, we have a basic layout here. The important things are the goals. Here you can find it at the top. And these are things that you want to focus in. You want to gain in your pipeline. Maybe you want to cover, optimize some problem you have. So let's say we're starting and we only want to obtain some builds, and this is the initial page, that the most basic pipeline we get at the right, like a suggested pipeline where we can see the code flowing into the pipeline and a build job. And on the right we have like a learning track with topics we should cover in order to make the most about the pipeline. So for example, this is all you can expand and get some uh, overview of the topics and links to other topics. So this is like a central hub for all the learning material we have, and you can check everything here, why this is important and what it does for your pipeline. And as you add more things here, you can, for example, you have a lot of errors and you want to reduce them. So these are some testings. You may have problems with performance or capacity. You may be having like security issues or concern about security, and everything you add uh, expands your pipeline with a suggested flow for you. And also, new topics appear here on the left. So that's the basic of it. You get this nice and simple layout to cover your gaps and learn new things. So if you are starting, you start with easy goals. If you're advanced, you get more chances, more things to learn. And this is applies to the other parts of CI/CD. For example, here we can go to continuous delivery, and we have other goals because delivery is different than integration, but it's the same principle. You have goals to check and learning track and a pipeline. So this is a good place to get like an initial idea. This obviously is not canonical. It's not the only way to do it, but it's a good starting point and a good way of getting ideas for improving your pipeline. And finally, I would like to bring your attention to this button here on the top left, top right corner, sorry, which is subscribe. You can get, this is not a newsletter, this is content we created specifically for this, and it's based on what you chose on your interest, and you're going to get like more in-depth content every week that we wrote specifically for this tool. This is all about CI/CD, so I recommend checking that out. And that's it. That's the tool. I hope you find it useful to learn and to uncover your gaps and to discover new things. I want to thank everyone for coming and see you on the next one.